Assalamualaikum. My name is Lutfan and I am belong to class 14. My presentation topic is waterfall. A waterfall is a river or the body of water. Seafall. Waterfalls form as streams flow from soft rocks to hard rocks. Our kind of waterfall is cascade. It is multi-step waterfall material, cement, thermocol, beads, artificial plants, and plastic pipe. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Iqbal from class pre-9th. Liquefied petroleum gas is a flammable mixture of hydrocarbon gases. Most commonly propane, butane, and propylene. ये हमारे पास पेट्रोल है. पेट्रोल से हम गैसोलीन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. गैसोलीन से वाटर के अंदर आता है और वाटर से ऑक्सीजन लेकर ये हमारे पास हीट प्रोड्यूस करता है.
Fatma, I belong to class 5. I am standing in the behalf of class 5. My model name is Water Dam. A barrier constructed to hold back water and rise its level, forming a reservoir used to generate electricity or as a water supply. If there is a motor turbine, my model generates electricity, but there is no motor turbine, so my model cannot generate electricity. Dam can be used to store water, control flooding, and generate electricity. People build dam to control water. Dam built on soil, rocks, foundation, depending on the type of dam. This done by drilling holes down into rocks. Thank you.
Abzara, my model name is hydraulic press. Hydraulic press is a machine press using a hydraulic cylinder to generate a compressive force. It uses the hydraulic equivalent of a mechanical level and was also known as a branch press. After the inventor Joseph Brahma of England, he invented and was issued a patent on this press in 1795. Thank you.
My name is Masuma Kazmi, standing in the front of you on the behalf of class P9. Today my model name is Simple. My name is Masuma Kazmi, standing in the front of you on the behalf of class P9. Today my model name is Simple Harmonic Motion and Circular Motion. Simple harmonic motion can be realized as the production of uniform circular motion onto one axis. The phase angle within simple harmonic motion carried to the real angle through which the ball has moved in circular motion. So this one are called simple harmonic motion and the rotation are called circular motion. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum to you all. My name is Fatma South and I am representing one of the model of Garrison school system. As you see, my model name is dust sensor, a device that detects dust particles construction in air by optically sensing method. And in form light are your LED and a photosensor are optically arranged in the device. The photosensor detects the reflected light by dust particles in the air. Thank you very much for visiting us. We would really appreciate that.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tarimija Fatma and I am reading class 7th Moon. It is a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is an instrument that removes dust particles such as it works like that. Thank you very much.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to you all. This is my project. It is a voice recorder. A voice recorder is essentially a digital device that records sound safe in its file format and transfer it to another device such as a computer, like that. Please show that. Okay, thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahnoor and I read in class 7. So, hand pumps are manually operated pumps. They use human power and machinery advantages from air from and other places. Thank you for.
Hand pumps are manually operated pumps. They use human power and mechanical advantages to move floods or air from one place to another. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Usman Zahra. I belong to class pre-Cambridge. My model name is volcano eruption. This is volcano. Volcano are opening inside the earth. Ash and gas to escape from below the surface. When lava on the surface, it is called lava. When it is on below the surface, it is called magma. Then there is two kinds of eruption: effusive eruption and effusive eruption. In effusive eruption, the lava below in gaseous form. In effusive eruption, the lava below in liquid form.
My name is Amaima. I belong to pre-Cambridge class. Volcano has two types: shield volcano and composite volcano. Shield volcano has not erupted, but composite volcano are erupted. Our volcano are erupted. That's why it's called composite volcano.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afifa Server. I belong to class pre-Cambridge, and our project is a volcano, and it is a working project. Some famous volcanoes in UK district is Snowdon in Fort William and Havarian in Lake District, and Bean Nevis in North Valleys.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Meena. I belong to class pre-Cambridge 1. There are two types of volcanoes: shield volcano and composite volcano. Composite volcanoes are erupted, but shield volcanoes are not erupted. The largest volcano in the world is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. The largest volcano in the universe is Olympus Mons in Mars.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Arfa Fatma. I belong to class 5 Moon. It is our model. Its name is photosynthesis. It is a process by which plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide, CO2 and water H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is produced. It occurs in leaves because leaves have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Through photosynthesis, plants prepare their food in the form of glucose. Photosynthesis takes place in daytime. It does not take place in nighttime because in night is not present. Thanks, have a nice day.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahma and I belong to class 4 Moon. The topic of my model is electricity produced by potato. First electric light was made in 1800 by Humre Delhi and English scientists. When light bulb connect to an electric power supply and an electric current flow from one meteorite to another, the flame heat up to the point when it begins to emit photons which are small pixels visible. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saiba Tahir from class 7 Moon. This is the working model of eye. When the light coming from an object falls on the lens of eye, it forms inverted image on the retina of eye. This image will be the inverted image. But when the nerve impulse from the optic nerve reaches the forebrain, this image will be the erect image. The natural lens in the human eye is convex, 3 layers: cornea, sclera, retina, nerve, optic nerve. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Manahil Fatma. This is the working model of eye. When the light coming from an object fall on the lens of eye, it forms inverted image on the retina of eye. This image will be an inverted image. But when the nerve impulse from the optic nerve reaches the forebrain, this image will be the erect image. The natural lens in human eye is convex, 3 layers: cornea, sclera, retina, nerve, optic nerve. Thank you.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. This is the working model of eye. When the light coming from an object it falls on the lens of eye, it forms an inverted image in the retina of eye. This image will be an inverted image. But when the nerve impulse from the optic nerve reaches the forebrain, this image will be an erect image. There are 3 layers: cornea, sclera, retina. It has one nerve, optic nerve. Thank you.
And assalamu alaikum. My name is Abia Fatma and I read in class 5th Moon. This is a model of Pakistan. Our model represents different cultures and places of our country. All ways of life, including arts, belief of population, pass from one generation to another. People living in the different provinces of Pakistan share several common cultural aspects, but also have differences. This is Punjabi culture. Punjabi culture is known as land of rivers. People of different castes live in Punjab. Punjabis are known as hardworking people who are also fond of food, music and dance. This is Khyber Pass. It is situated in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It passes between Afghanistan and Pakistan in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is Faisal Mosque. It is the famous mosque of Pakistan. It is situated in Islamabad. This is Jinnah's Mausoleum. It is situated in Karachi. It is situated in Karachi. This is Minar-e-Pakistan. It is situated in Lahore. It is our national monument. It is the place where Pakistan resolution was passed. Thanks.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Pakiza Mehak and I belong to class 5 Moon. This is a model of Pakistan. Our model represents different culture and places of our country. All ways of life including art, beliefs of population pass from one generation to another. People living in the different provinces of Pakistan share several common culture aspects but also have differences. Punjabi culture. This culture is known as land of rivers. People of different castes live in Punjab. Punjabis are known as hardworking people who are also fond of food, music and dance.
This is Khyber Pass. It is situated in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It passes between Afghanistan and Pakistan in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is Faisal Mosque. It is situated in Islamabad. It is one of the famous mosques of Pakistan. This is Minar-e-Pakistan. It is our national monument. It is situated in Lahore. It is the place where Pakistan resolution was passed. This is Jinnah's Mausoleum. It is situated in Karachi, designed in 1860s and completed in 1971. Thanks.
My name is Taskin Fatma Sal and I am standing in the behalf of Class 5th Moon. The name of my project is Culture of Pakistan. This is the model of Pakistan. Our model represents different culture and places of our country, all ways of life including arts, beliefs of population passed from one generation to another. People living in the different provinces of Pakistan share several common culture aspects but also have different. This is Punjabi culture. This culture is known as land of liver, who are also fond of food, music and dance. This is Faisal Mosque. It is the famous mosque of Pakistan. This is Jinnah's Mausoleum. It is situated in Karachi. This is situated in Karachi. This is Minar-e-Pakistan. It is the monument. It is the famous monument of Pakistan. It is the place where Pakistan resolution was passed. This is Khyber Pass. It is situated in KPK. It passes between Afghanistan and Pakistan in KPK. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shanzi. I belong to class 4 Moon. Our model is state of matter. State of matter. Matter is made of very tiny particles called atoms or molecules. Solid, liquid and gas are three states of matter. Solid. In solid, the molecules are very closely packed. They do not have space between them. That is why solid have a defined shape, size and volume.
Liquids. In liquids, the molecules are not very closely packed. There are some space between them. That is why liquid do not have a defined shape but defined volume. Gas. Molecules in the gas are placed apart from each other. There is a lot of space between them. Thank you.
My name is Hadi Amwari. I belong to class 5. This is model of amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. It mostly live in water. It has ability to change shape. They move by cytopodia. It is found in decaying vegetation. They causes diseases, nausea, diarrhea, stomach pain. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Lubaba Hassan. I belong to class 5 Moon. This is the model of amoeba, single cell animal that catch food and move by extended fingerless projection of protoplasm. Amoeba are free living in damp environment or parasitic. Amoeba considered as free living organism because it meet characteristic of living organism. It has ability to change shape, e.g. or proteus. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mirail Aslam. I read in class 5 Moon. A single cell freshwater animal that has a characteristic slipper-like shape. It is covered with cilia. Aquatic habitats. Paramecia are easily cultured in labs. Paramecium feed on microorganisms like bacteria, algae and yeast.
It make movement with cilia. Paramecia is animal-like because it moves and searches for its own food. They have characteristic of both plant and animal. Thank you. Have a nice.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zarika Asif. I belong to class 5 Moon. Our model name is structure of bone. There are two types of bone: spongy bone, compact bone. It contains yellow and red bone marrow in which blood produce. Nutrient artery provide food to bone.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amra Murid and our model is about structure of bone. There are two types of bone, spongy bone and compact bone. It contains yellow and red bone marrow in which blood produce. Nutrient artery provide food to bone. This is articular cartilage. It is very soft bone. The difference between compact bone and spongy bone: compact bone is very hard bone and spongy bone is soft bone.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maheen Fatma and I belong from class 5 Moon. There are two types of bone, spongy bone and compact bone. It contains yellow and red bone marrow in which blood produce. Nutrient artery provide food to bone. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana Fatma. Class belong 4 Moon. My topic is stem cell. Stem cell is present in plant cell. It is source to produce a new cell. It our curving is cell weave. It contains vascular bundle such as xylem and flowing. Xylem transport water, flowing transport food. Thank you. Have a nice.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This model is about our globe. It is made up of ball, newspaper, disposable glass and a wire.
Yes, the spherical representation of Earth is called globe.
It is round shape and shows accurate area, direction, distances and relative shape and size. We can easily find countries with the globe.
Assalamu alaikum. This is a model of teeth. This is a crown. This is a enamel, and this is a root. There are many types of teeth, and it is also the type of teeth. This is called molar teeth.
Molar teeth. These are flat teeth located at back of mouth. They vary in size and shape. They are largest teeth in our mouth. Molar are rounded and used for grinding food and help in easy swallowing. The smaller front teeth are used for tearing and biting food. Thanks.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khatija Abid and I belong to class 4. The name of my model is atmospheric layers. Description. This model is about the layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest most layer of atmosphere. Formation of clouds and weather changes take place in this layer. Stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer from the earth. Aeroplanes and balloons fly in this layer. Ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet coming from the sun in the stratosphere. Mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer from the earth. This layer is very cold when they enters the atmosphere. The thermosphere. The thermosphere is the fourth layer from the earth. This layer is very thin and very hot. The exosphere. The exosphere is the uppermost layer from the atmosphere and it leads to open place. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amnaskar and I am the student of class 5 Moon. Our model is about structure of air. It is made up of the external organ is used for hearing is called air. There are two airs in all living organisms. Structure of air. Our air is divided into three basic parts: outer air, middle air, and one of the inner air. Outer air. Outer air is made up of pinna which gathers all the sounds and sends to the middle air. Middle air. Middle air consisted of auditory canal. It receives signals, vibration from the outer air and sends to the inner air. Inner air. Here the nerves carry messages from the brain and our brain tells us what the sound is. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Rahman and I belong to class 39 Rainbow. As you can see, this is structure of atom. It is all matter is made up of very indivisible particles called atom. It is derived from Latin word atmos meaning indivisible. In the beginning of 19th century, John Dalton put forward atomic theory. Dalton presented an atomic theory according to him. In 1886, in 1886, Garrison discovered protons. In 1897, J.J. Thomson discovered electrons. In 1932, Chadwick discovered neutrons. Neutrons are neutral. Thank you so much.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Manu Ashraf and I belong to class P9 Rainbow. As you can see, this is the structure of atom. All matter is made up of very small indivisible particles called atoms. Atom is derived from the Latin word atomos meaning indivisible. In the beginning of 19th century, John Dalton put forward atomic theory. Dalton presented an atomic theory according to him. An atom is an indivisible, hard and dense sphere. The electrons are revolved around the nucleus. Thank you.
Myself Aruj Asif. The name of my model is atomic structure. As you know, atom is a basic unit of matter. Atom is made up of almost 100 subatomic particles. But the main subatomic particles electron, proton and neutron.
Atom can join to form elements and elements can join to form molecules.
Let me tell you about neutron. Neutron have negative charge, proton have positive charge and neutron have no charge. Neutron and proton are present in nucleus. Electron and proton attract each other. Thank you.
This is about water dispenser. To make this we have used thermocol, pipe, water, bottle, chart. When we open the bottle, water will comes out. When we close the bottle, water will stop. A water dispenser is now as a water cooler is a machine that cools and heats up and dispenses water with refrigeration unit.
Water dispenser are appliances that dispense on a liquid from a bottle through a pipe. Water dispenser are appliances that dispense on a liquid from a bottle through a pipe. Water dispenser help you to enjoy hot or cold. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Our model is an electric lift. Electric lift moves up by the friction from the steel rope with traction pulley through the signal and command from the control panel. It is a mechanism moves the elevator up and down.
Electric lift is used due to safety. The foremost reason for using an electric lift is to provide safety to the people. It is helpful for the senior citizens and children who may find it difficult to move up the stairs. Electric lifts provide the security to people when they travel between the floors.
When we close or on the switch, it moves up and down.
Assalamu alaikum. Our model name is closed circuit. A circuit without interruption providing a continuous pass through and the current can flow. Material used in this circuit: a battery, a bulb, and a switch. When the wires are connected to the battery, the current flow in the circuit and the bulb glows. So it is a closed circuit. Thanks for coming.
Assalamu alaikum. An electrical circuit that is not complete. Material used in circuit is a battery, electrical bulb and connecting wires. When the wires are not connecting with the battery, the bulb will not glow. So this is an open circuit connector. When we connect them, the bulb will glow, and now this is an closed circuit. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sanjayas and I read in class 3 Rainbow. My model name is Four Seasons. There are 4 seasons: summer, winter, rainy and spring. Summer season is hot and the sun shines so brightly. Winter season is cold and the snow falls. Rainy season gives us rain. Spring is pleasant. Thanks for watching.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. I am Stila. I belong to class 4 Moon. My topic is types of pollution. Pollution ends up in an environment which harmful to living organization is called pollution. Water pollution, land pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. Land pollution. Land pollution include garbage industry and soil pollution.
Noise pollution. Noise pollution, loud noise caused by noise pollution. Water pollution, which is caused by chemical release into water. Problem commonly occur due to dirty water. Air pollution, the pollution which is caused by the smoking is called air pollution. For vehicles and factories, problem, breath problem.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam Awais and I belong to class 7 Moon. Our model name is RNA structure. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. It is a single-stranded polynucleotide.
It has 4 bases: adenine, uracil, guanine and cytosine. Adenine make double bond with uracil and guanine make triple bond with cytosine.
It contains ribonucleic sugar and phosphate group. RNA make proteins. Thank you.
Our model name is DNA. In 1953, the two scientists James and Francis discovered the DNA. DNA is a double-stranded molecule.
It contains genetic information.
DNA contains 4 bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. DNA contains 4 bases: adenine, thymosine, and cytosine. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Mac Farma. My model name is light travel in a straight line. Light travel in a straight line when you switch on a torch. In darkness, the light travel in a straight line. Similarly, when sunlight filters through a small hole into a dark room, it appears to travel in a straight line. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Maida Fatma. My model name is Parts of Plant. This is root, this is stem, this is flower, this is fruit.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arfroza and I read in class 3. The model is parts of plant. There are different parts of plant. This is root, this is stem, this is branches, this is flower, this is fruit and this is leaves. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ali Khan. I read in class 3. Today we show you how to make invisible ink with something as simple. So this is really easy. For this you have to take lemon juice or slice of lemon and just use it. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Amna Adil. I read in class 3 Moon. My model is lemon ink model. Today we show how to make invisible ink with something as simple. So this is really easy. For this you have to take lemon juice or slice of lemon and just use it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Yusasha from class 3 Rainbow. Our model is about telescope. Our telescope is a long instrument shaped like a tube. It has lenses inside it that make distant things seem larger and near when you look through it. Thank you so much.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arifat. My reading class 3 Rainbow. Our model is about telescope. A telescope is a long instrument shaped like a tube. It has lenses inside it that make seem larger and nearer when you look through it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, my name is Mani. I read in class 3. Our model is about telescope. Telescope is a long instrument shaped like a tube. It has lenses inside it that make distant things seem larger and nearer when you look through it.
Nas is a genus of unicellular green algae. These algae are found all over the world in ocean, freshwater oceans, and even snow on mountains.
Chlamydomonas is a genus of unicellular green algae. This algae is found all over the world in ocean, freshwater oceans, and even in snow mountain. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadia Wakar and I am reading class 6 Moon. Today my topic is smart parking. It is a smart parking. It is a model of smart parking and it is made up of toy car and smart parking system launched. In this modern era, as the number of vehicles increase, the smart car parking is launched.
Smart car parking is an electronic tool that enables the user to find vacant car parking spaces through information technology and by using appropriate sensor.
It is used to manage the garage and by using electronic sensor. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vijay Bloch. I belong class 4 model description. Our model is about water level tank, the high reached by the water reservoir, storage tanks or similar.
Yes, I am Sumaika. And the pump is powerful enough to create a vortex if the water level is too low through the system.
The purpose of the liquid level system is to maintain a specific level of fluid inside the tank.
ये बहुत अच्छा हमारा मॉडल है. इसका हमें 12 वॉट्स मिले हैं.
This is the process of crystal formation. It takes 24 hours to complete this process. When we heat the solution of copper sulfate and left it overnight, next morning we will find the beautiful crystal of copper sulfate. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My project is chemical bonding. It is force of attraction which holds the atom together in a molecule. It's single covalent bond. It is formed due to sharing of electron when each bond share one electron. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahin Fatma. I read in class 3 Moon. The name of my model is soil layer. Our model is about soil layers. There are 5 layers of soil: humus, topsoil, subsoil, weather rock, fragment, bedrock. To make this model, we have used cardboard, paints, tissues, glaze paper, and plaster of Paris. Thank you for coming, Garrison school system. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abruzara. I read in class 3 Moon. My model name is soil layer. Our model is about soil layer. There are 5 layers: humus, topsoil, subsoil, weathered rock, fragment, bedrock. To make this model, we have used cardboard, paints, tissues, glass paper, plaster of Paris. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nawera Batul. I read in class 3. My model name is soil layer. Our model is about soil layer. There are 5 layers of soil: humus, topsoil, subsoil, weather rock, fragment, bedrock. To make this model, we have used cardboard, paints, tissues, glaze paper, and plaster of Paris.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hijab Zara. I read in class 3 Rainbow. My project name is respiratory system. Respiratory system is the organs and tissue that help us breathe. This is respiratory system. This is nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, and alveoli, right lung and left lung. Thank you for coming.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam Imran and I read in class 3 Rainbow. My model name is respiratory system. Respiratory system is done. This is nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, alveoli, right lung, left lung. Thank you. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asma Noor. I read in class 3 Our model is about simple machine. Here are some simple machine we made: seesaw, pulley, wheel, and axle, inclined plane. To make this we use cardboard, glaze, paper, glue, sticks. Seesaw. It is a simple machine. Found on playground. It acts as a lever, which is simply a bar or rod that pivots. Turn and a point called fulcrum. Thank you.
Morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abi Hassan. I read in class 3 Moon. My model name is simple machine. Our model is about simple machine.
Here are some simple machine we made: seesaw, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane. To make this we use cardboard, glass, paper, glue, sticks. Seesaw. It is a simple machine found in playground. It acts as a lever which is simply about a road. Pivots turn on a point called fulcrum. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laipanur. I read in class 3 Moon. Our model is about simple machine. Here are some simple machine. We made seesaw, pulley, wheel and axle and inclined plane. To make this we use cardboard, glass, paper, glue, sticks. Seesaw. It is a simple machine found on playground. It acts as a lever, which is simply a bar or rod.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anaya and I read in class 3 Rainbow. My model name is Earth Core. Earth is divided into 4 main layers. First inner core, second outer core and third mantle, fourth crust. Earth is thinnest layer on Earth. 51 centimeter to 100 kilometer. Part of crust. Types of crust: oceanic crust and continental crust. Part of crust: lithosphere and asthenosphere. Thanks.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Cesar. I read in class 3 and my model name is Earth. Earth is divided into 4 main layers: inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. Earth crust is thinnest layer on Earth, 51 centimeter to 100 kilometer. Types of oceanic crust, continental crust. Parts of lithosphere, asthenosphere. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Vajavloj. I am belong class 4 moon reception. Our model is about water level tank. The high reached by the water reservoir, storage tanks or similar.
The pump is powerful enough to create a vortex in a reservoir through the system.
The purpose of the liquid level system is to maintain a specific level of fluid inside the tank. Thank you.
जब ये वाटर तुम बोलो
हाइयो ज़्यादा होता जाएगा तब इसकी बेल बजेगी कि अब और नहीं डल सकता. वाटर कम होगा.
Thank you.
Model name is DNA. The structure of DNA. In 1953, the two scientists James and Francis discovered the DNA. DNA is a double-stranded molecule.
It contains genetic information.
DNA contains 4 bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aliza Sabir. This is model plant cell. It is model is about it is made of thermocol, color and glue etc.
Plant cell is the basic unit of all plants. Plant cell, like animal cell, are aquatic, means have a membrane-bound nucleus.
This is large vacuole, this is nucleus, this is membranes and this is mitochondria and this is cell wall. The yellow color in plant cell represents plant cell. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamna Aslam and I read in class 6 Moon. It is a model of smart car parking system. It is made up of 12 car and 12 parking track.
In this modern era, as the number of vehicles increase, smart car parking system launched. Smart car parking is an electronic tool that enables the user to find vacant car parking spaces through information technology and by using appropriate sensor.
It is used to manage the garage by electronic sensor.
Morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma Bas. This model is about animal cell. It is made by thermal, color and glue etc. An animal cell is an eukaryotic cell that lacks a cell wall. It is enclosed by the plasma membrane. These organelles are enclosed by the plasma membrane and including a cell nucleus.
This is nucleus. This is mitochondria, vacuole, cell membrane. This is organelles. 4 types of animal cell: blood cell, nerve cell, skin cell and muscle cell.
And Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khadir Wasin and my model name is Delta. Define delta wetlands as formed as river empty the water and sediment into another body of water. This is grass and this is trees. This is leaves. This is
soil layer.
this is Arabian Sea. This is soil layer.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dushwa Sishan and I am in class 3 in water. This model is about water well it is made up of in all areas when there was not any electric facilities licensed motor people as well to get water. It is used to get fresh water. It can store water easily. It is a cheap way of obtaining water. It can work without electricity. It found mostly in village. Thanks.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nur Fatma. I read in class 3 Rambo. This model is about water. It is made up of in old ages when there has not any electric facility lies motor as well to get water.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Najib Tul. I read in class 5 Moon. This is a vacuum cleaner. It is a device used to remove dirt from other surface. It is a device used to remove dirt from other surface. It is also called electrical driven. These are in different sizes and varieties. A fan driven by electric motor reduces pressure inside the motor. Atmospheric pressure then pushes air through the carpet and into nozzle and so dust is laterally pushed. Thank you.
I belong class 4 month. First electric light was made in 1800 by human dairy and English scientists.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahman and I belong to class 4 room. The topic of my model is electricity produced by potato. First electric light was made in 1800 by homemade dairy and English scientists. When light bulb connect to an electric power supply and electric current flow from one metal wire to another, the flame will heat up to the point when it begins to emit photon which are small pixels visible. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sud. I belong from class 4 Boon. Today the topic of my speech is electricity produced by potatoes. The first electric light was made in 1800 by homemade dairy and English scientists. When light bulb connect to an electrical power supply and electrical current flow from one metal wire to another, the filament heats up to the point where it begins to emit photons, which are small packets of visible light. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arfa Fatma. I belong to class 5 Moon. This is our model. It is a process by which plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide, CO2 and water H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is produced. It occurs in leaves because leaves have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Through photosynthesis, plants prepare their food in the form of glucose. Photosynthesis takes place in daytime. It does not take place in nighttime because in night light is not present. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saraf Tab. I read in class 5 Moon. Our model is photosynthesis. It is a process by which plants prepare food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form of glucose. Carbon dioxide is used oxygen. It occurs leaves because leaves have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Through photosynthesis, prepare their food in the form of glucose. Photosynthesis takes their place in daylight. It does not take place in nighttime because night light is not present. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It is process by which plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is produced. It occurs in leaves because leaves have chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide chlorophyll trap in sunlight. Chlorophyll trap in sunlight. Photosynthesis
photosynthesis prepare their food by in a form of glucose.
My name is Ashinivas. I belong to class 9 Moon. My project name is Hydrochloric Track. Hydrochloric Track is a machine pressing using hydrochloric standard generate a compressive force. It is made by Joseph Braham in England in 1975. For example, when we pull the string, the other string moves, the bridge goes down. When we push the string, the other string move, the bridge goes up. Can you please test?